Hey folks, Russ Scala here with Scala Precision Health and the Russ Scala YouTube channel. What we're going to do is we're going to build an advisor program, and I think this is going to be very important for the future. People are not getting answers from their traditional doctors, really only get 5 to 10 minutes with their doctor. This idea came to me when I was working with financial advisors. I had financial advisors on my program, and we always had a lot of dialogue back and forth. I looked at what financial advisors provided for their clients, customizing a treatment protocol. They would work with them, contact them monthly, develop something that really works, and customizable to that family and what their goals were. And I said to myself, God, there are so many similarities in what financial advisors do and what we do at Scala Precision Health and our coaching program. So what I wanted to do, after I spent time with John Kelly, he was the owner of Financial Centers of America. And over a period of a week, he took me to all his clients, all his high net worth clients. And I just basically went into their home, and John teed me up with questions. They all had questions about, I want to get off my medication. How do I feel better? What's the best diet for me? And going into the homes of these people, with the owner of that Financial Centers of America, he was a good friend of mine, John Kelly, I started saying these people not only need coaching, they need a financial advisor, but at the end of the day, if they save all their money and they're not healthy, then what's the deal? Why then the trip wasn't worth it. So what our goal was, and what I see now, is I got about 5 coaches that I'm training now. And I want to call them advisors because at the end of the day, they're taking information from one area, they're doing research for this family, and they're sending it to the family members so they could make decisions and ask their doctor tough questions. We're just moving information from one area to the other, so that's why I call them advisors. And in their town, they're partnering with financial advisors and say, if you have anybody with any questions, we love to help them. And then if they want to go further and do advanced testing, then we could offer that. But I think we're going to see longevity advisors, folks. Longevity advisors are going to come on board. We're going to be the first ones to kick that off. And as you know, it could save you a lot of time. You go to your general practitioner and get lab work and nothing gets done. And then you go to your specialist or you go to the nutritionalist, and if we advise a client on what lab work to ask for, we could save them 2 to 3 months. Sometimes we even save people a year. A lot of people that are trying to uncover getting a second opinion and uncovering what they could do best for their medical condition, it comes down to them asking. There's something powerful and transforming about asking a question. So we educate these coaches, or these, I want to say, advisors, and they get with their clients in their area, and they help them ask the tough questions by just sharing research. So I think longevity advisors, folks, you're going to see that at Scala Precision Health. It's going to be an option we're going to offer to really motivated individuals that are really about helping other people, because the information, as you know, isn't getting out there fast enough. And it's 2023 in August, and Consumer Report just came out with the front page article saying, anti-aging health is going to be on everyone's mind right now because people don't want to age like their parents. I used to take people into nursing homes, and then I worked in anti-aging centers. So I know what people want, and I watched how their bodies resonated. So keep an eye out for that, folks. Our Scala Precision Health Longevity Advisors program, and we'll keep you updated on that. Thank you.